We're going to review the top 5 best beard shaping tool, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Aberlite Beard Shaping Tool with Pencil. Out of all the beard shaping tools I've seen, this is the most advanced. It has 4 different sides to choose for when deciding your cheek line template. The shaping tool itself is made from high-quality durable plastic, that is 100% transparent, so you can see exactly where your beard is underneath. In the center, is an anti-slip rubber piece, so you can have some grip on the tool while shaping your beard. Number 2. Beardoholic 1-in-9 Beard Shaping Tool. This is another good option. Beardoholic is a known name when it comes to beard tools in general, and they have recently released their shaping tool. It's made of high-quality 100% clear plastic and comes with 5 different beard and goatee shaping sides. You get the curve cut and step cut options for your cheek line, some lineup options for the neckline, and it can be even used to line up a goatee. Number 3. Beardclass 1-in-8 Multi-Liner Beard Shaper. One of the original brands that first entered the market with beard shapers was Beardclass. Their shaper is one of the best-selling ones on big online retailers, with hundreds of positive reviews. Although their logo looks like it was made in Microsoft Paint back in 1998, their beard lineup template is still pretty good, offering all the important edges like the curve or step cut and various other lines. It also, sadly, includes the useless comb edge, which when applied to a beard shaper, becomes the least useful idea ever. Number 4. Anti-slip transparent beard shaping template. Similar to the Aberlite brand, the Beard Ninja shaping template uses an anti-slip rubber grip in the middle. It's made from durable clear plastic and is extremely light to use without feeling wonky in your hands. You can expect to press it firmly against your cheeks without the risk of breaking it. Since this beard template comes with 8 possible cuts for your neckline, cheek line, sideburns, and goatee, it's best to read the manual comes with the box properly before you start working with it. Number 5. The Original Cut Buddy Beard Hair Shaping Tool. This product claims to be the original beard shaping tool, and they were even on Shark Tank, just like the Beard Bib maker, Beard King, where they managed to cut out a deal as well. It's much smaller than the 2 shapers above, but in my opinion, also looks nicer and more compact. The Cut Buddy comes with multiple patented angles in their design, as well as an edge with a scale on the side for some precision work.